Are you a local service business and considering if Google Ads is right for you? Great, you're in the right spot. In this video, we are going to break it down to help you decide if and how you can apply Google Ads to your business, because it can be a winning strategy for gaining more customers, especially if you offer a local service. So if you're a business like a plumber, a landscaper, a florist, something like that, and you offer a local service, stick around to learn how to get your services in front of the people who need them most, and that's the people who are searching for it. Let's break down Google Ads and explain a little bit how it works. Even if you've never used Google Ads before and you're just learning and getting started, we're going to kind of walk you through what it is as an overview so you know if it could be a right thing to add to the way that you market your business and get leads. Okay, first off, what are Google search ads? So imagine someone in your town types in best plumber near me into Google. With Google search ads, your plumbing service can be the first thing they see, right? So it's like having a little digital billboard right in the search results. And getting started is easier than you think. So let's break it down into some smaller steps. All right, so the first thing you have to do, all you do is set up a Google Ads account for free. It's free to create an account and you only pay once you start running campaigns. Next, you decide what you want your goal of your ad to be. Do you want more website visits? So if you don't have a website, check out Mighty Sites. It's only $9 a month for a simple professional website for a local business. So if you want to drive more traffic to your website and turn those people into leads on your lead form or more calls to your business, Google Ads can help tailor your campaign based on what your goal is, right? Step 3 is you choose a geographic area. So this part is crucial for local businesses. You can just select the exact area where your ads will show. So if you're in Springfield, there's no point in showing your ads to someone in Gotham City, right? So you just want to show your ads to somebody in your town. Then the next step is you write your ad. So you craft a message that speaks to your potential customers. Include what makes you unique. Are you open 24/7? Do you offer free quotes? Just highlight that in the ad. That's the actual ad text that shows up when somebody searches for the thing that is related to your business. So then you set your budget, and Google Ads can fit any budget. You decide how much you're willing to spend daily, and Google Ads will never go over that limit, right? So it's like having a little guardrail for your marketing where you're not going to spend too much. So now let's talk about like some examples. So pretend you have a local bakery, Sweet Treats, and you use Google Ads, Google search ads to promote your new cupcakes, right? So by targeting the keyword best cupcakes in town and setting your ads to only show in your local area, then you can just get people who want to buy cupcakes to visit your cupcake shop. So you might be thinking, what about cost, right? Remember, Google search ads, you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. So you can set a daily budget, just like maybe $10, and just test it to see what works for your business and how much each click costs. And there you have it. That's how Google search ads works, and it can be a powerful tool for any local service business looking to boost your visibility. So just start small, experiment, and see how it grows over time. You're going to be able to just pay for clicks from people who are searching things that you sell or services that you offer. Great way to drive traffic in. If you don't have a website, try Mighty Sites, and please click that like and subscribe for more great videos that help you grow your small business.